Hello viewers, welcome to LearningX. Again we have come with another video in our business reporting and presentation series. In this series we are focusing on charts which will be useful for business presentation and reporting, and in this video we'll show you how to create this attractive product chart in Excel. So let's start. Here are the data we'll work with. Here we have year, we have brand name, and we have some categories with their score. Create the chart. First of all, we'll go to insert, we'll go to pivot table, and we'll give year and this brand name in columns, and rest of the categories in values. Then we'll remove these values from column and we'll place it to rows. It will look like this. Then we'll select the pivot table and we'll change this label name. We'll just keep title, not the sum of. Now we'll go to insert, we'll bring this slicer, the your slicer, then we'll go to insert and we'll bring this data chart. Now we'll select a specific year and it will show the data accordingly. That we'll remove all the fields button. We'll give a shadow effect, outer shadow effect. We'll bold it, we'll make it black color, and we'll increase the font. We'll change the color to gray. Here we'll make it black. Now for this series we'll change the color to this dark blue, and for this one we'll change the color to green, and for this one we'll give a transparency level to 40%. Now for the last one we will give this yellow color and we'll give a transparency level to 50%. Then it will look like this. One more thing, we have to give a shadow effect. We'll give outer shadow effect for all the series. Now I'll change the chart fill color. So we have changed the designing for 2020. Now we have to do this same for 2019 and 2018. So we'll do the same thing. We'll change the color, we'll change the transparency level, and we'll give some shadow effect. Then our chart will look like this. Now we can use this in any business report, annual report, and for presentation. This is all about this video. If you have enjoyed the video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and check out our other series for more attractive chart and dashboard videos.